Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare N8N and Flowise. N8N and Flowise are both automation tools, but they serve different purposes. N8N is a no-code tool for automating tasks by connecting apps, APIs, and services. It helps create workflows with logic, data handling, and integrations. Businesses use it to automate repetitive processes and improve efficiency. It's great for general automation across different industries. On the other hand, Flowise is built for AI workflows, helping users create and manage LLM-powered apps. It has a drag-and-drop interface for chatbot logic and AI model integration. Flowise makes it easy to connect AI to data sources and automate responses. It's the best choice for AI-specific automation and chatbot development. In my opinion, N8N is best for general automation, while Flowise is ideal for AI-specific workflows and chatbot development. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.